Hello YouTube family, I'm back again. My dinner is now officially ready. So I'm about to take everything out the oven and I'm about to show you what it looked like.
Ooh, yum, yum.
Look, YouTube family, you see how that look? YouTube family.
Awesome.
That look awesome, don't it? I pray that y'all like what y'all see, but it's not completely done yet. But just a second. Okay. The oven is off. Yep.
Brandon, you want a color? What now?
All right, y'all. So
Ooh.
I'm about to show y'all this. Oh, I gotta put onions last. But I want to show y'all this, of what this look like.
All right, yum, yum.
That look good, don't it? When it get put on the plate, I'm going to show you better because you can't really see it in a pot and a pan. So when I put it on a plate, I'm going to take some pictures of it from my mother's phone and I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. New vibes to come. All right, y'all. Hold on just a second. All right. So I'm about to stop this for a minute. And then when I come back, it's going to be all on a plate. And I'll take pictures of it. And then I'll come back a lot. And then I'll record it again while it's on the plate. But make sure y'all hit that bell in the corner so you don't miss nothing that I post. And when I eventually go live, y'all can see my lives. And make sure y'all like my videos and whatever I post on my new YouTube channel. I would appreciate it if y'all like it. And subscribe to my channel, The New Vibes. Thank you. And I'll talk to you soon.